Well, let's kind of break down how to increase speed, how to go fast, and how to arrive at a destination. Um, let's think about, why might my team be moving slow? Well, let's look at your objective, or your target, your kind of business objective, to be your destination. We'll see a map on the screen with a little pin. Say, hey, we want to go there. Um, Maybe you're launching a brand new software capability, a new application, big new feature, or maybe you're making some changes with a goal of increasing something. Like if you're in e-commerce, maybe increasing your per order size. You want to tick that up an average of $2 per order. Or maybe another scenario, maybe you're making changes that you expect is going to lower your Azure monthly bill. But either way, you have an objective. Your objective is that destination on the map, but you also have to know where you are and then chart a course to your destination. The course that you chart is like your turn-by-turn directions on a roadmap. And we talk about roadmaps a lot in software. Your roadmap is going to contain development items, new features, changes to existing features. You identify each of the segments of your roadmap. They are things that need to be built with the expectation that you'll arrive at your destination. Now, here's the problem. We don't have a very good track record of plotting roadmaps for software in this industry. As an industry, we have about a 33% batting average. In baseball, it'd be 300 or 333, about a third of the time. Even as some of the good things that Scrum brought to our attention, the product owner concept inside Scrum, that theory, it hasn't really played out. No company has such a person that can fill this product owner role. No company has such a person that can actually prioritize the right features and changes, that is going to plot the right course to our destination. The Puppet Labs study, I believe it was in 2019, kind of surveyed and studied a lot of things, but one of the study was around the product owner, and found that across the industry, product owners, about a third of the time, identify and prioritize the right features to accomplish the goal, and those things go into production, and it was a good change to make. Another third of the time, the prioritized features are built and put into production, and they don't make any difference. They don't actually move the needle at all. They don't get us any closer to our destination. And another third of the time, the features that are prioritized and built and tested and put into production actually hurt things. They actually take us further away from our destination. It turns out we were trucking away from our destination. Things are made worse, and we need to hurry up and back out those changes. So while it's an interesting concept, this product owner, or this such a person who is such an expert, so in tune with the customers that they're going to prioritize and identify all the details of what should be done and somehow always be right about that actually hasn't happened. And so to get to our destination, we need the right course. We need the right turn-by-turn directions in order to actually make it there. It makes no difference if we're actually going really fast. If we're zigzagging all around and going in the wrong direction, we need the right course. So what's the answer? We need to iterate faster. We have to take the first step in the course, and then stop, take our bearings, see how close we got, see if we're off track, course correct, and then plot the next leg of the course. We aren't good at plotting the whole course at the start of the journey, or think at the start of a project or a major phase. So from a thought process, we want to minimize the distance to our destination, just like when you're going on a map. We want to minimize the work, and we don't actually know that at the start. We actually don't know what that means at the start. We only have a guess. So iterating is our answer to this problem. Now, next, we're going to talk about actual speed. We need to maximize speed. If we're on a really good course, it doesn't help if we just aren't going very fast at all.